Hello, welcome back to this beautiful channel. Today we are making some bread and ingredients are listed over there on your screen. Salt, oil, sim, sugar, flour, that's all-purpose flour, yeast and warm water. Yeah, so that's basically what we'll be doing, and let's get into it. First things first, take your warm water in a jug, like 2 glasses, then add sugar, then add your yeast, then mix well until it's like milky. This is to activate the yeast. Basically, that's it. That's why you need to mix it in warm water and sugar. Yeah, namna hiyo, like that. Look at that. It's already like giving the milky stuff. Then add your salt, like a tablespoon of salt on it. Yeah, and then mix the salt well inside there in the water, your milky water. Add oil tunapima tu mpaka ancestors watuambie enough. It doesn't matter. Jokes, it matters, but listen to your ancestors. I didn't measure oil, but maybe like half a cup. It depends with the quantity of the bread you're making. Yep. Well, next weka unga yako. Add your flour cup by cup as you mix pole in bits, cup by cup. Ukimix until you find that consistency ile unataka ya mkate, si ile unataka actually what should be done. Yep. And then it's like ile unga chapati. Yeah, it feels like that. So pole too as you continue with your kneading, and let me tell you, this is where the work is at. Knead. You will need to knead for like an hour, just kneading. Yeah, that's why in factories they use like gumboots to knead the bread. I hear, so I'm not sure, I've never been to one. So yeah, you really need to knead your bread. Take your sweet time. Namna hiyo, like that. Look at that, it's coming. Bado, we are still on the process. Kneading. Here you need time and grace and energy. Before you make your bread, make sure you've eaten some ugali, some carbs for energy na proteins. Ikusaidie, because the work here, not easy. I'm not even going to lie. It's a lot though. It's really a lot. Then after that, what you have to do is oil that ka basin or whatever you're going to put it into, rise. So unai oil before you put that dough inside. Then you cover with a damp cloth. Namna hiyo, yes, Evo. Then you wait it for an hour to rise, to double the size. Done. Namna hiyo. Look at it, soft and puffy. Yeah, it should be puffy hivyo. Juu ya yeast inafanya inakuwa inafura. Yeah, so basically namna hiyo. Then you knead again kidogo. Then you start portioning it into whatever shapes or sizes you'd want to have for your bread. If you have a bread tin like mine, you can use it. If you don't have one, you can actually make buns from this dough. Just shape it venye ancestors tu watakwambia. venye utaifeel, that's what you do. It's your thing, do it the way you want it. Yeah, but of course, you know, baking, we have to oil our tins before you insert it in the oven. Yeah, oiling is a basic skill. Is it a skill? No, like it's a basic thing you need to do while baking. It's not a skill though. So you gotta oil it first. Well, sasa hapo, just shape it into any shape you want. Venye tu nimewambia, whatever you want, however you want it. Yeah, this is same dough, you can use it to make donuts, by the way. Yeah, I think for me, it's just the same recipe. We'll do that in the next video, hopefully. Yeah, so that's it. That's basically it. What we're, different shapes, different sizes, just as this one. On to our next step. So because I have to, like, I just wanted to have a touch of some decorations, like, so I use this, that's egg and some vanilla essence. This vanilla, I'm just using it to avoid that egg smell. Yeah, ndio inukie, isinuke mayai sana. So I use this egg wash to brush it over so that I'm able to sprinkle the same seeds so that they can be able to stick on the dough once it's done. The egg wash helps with that. Plus it also helps it to soften, like it does not have the hard crust. Yeah, you can always use the egg wash, or you can prefer, if you don't like the egg wash, you can use margarine. Immediately when the bread is done, you remove it from the oven, you brush it with margarine. Yeah, that one can also do well. Yep. Meanwhile, our oven is heated at 180 for around 10 minutes and it's ready for us to put it in. Tungoje breakfast ya kesho. Yeah, namna hiyo, like that. 2 minutes later, no, 25 basically, not 2. Ready, done. Guys, remember to subscribe, like, share this video. Sawa, for more recipes. Like, share, subscribe for more recipes kama hii. See you on the next one. Bye.